It's very stormy out here.
Hello!
It's up the hill.
Where are we?
Disneyland!
Disneyland. There was no introduction, but we went to Disneyland. It is February the 1st, 2019. 19. And we just got
leaving.
And I'm leaving tomorrow, so we're celebrating.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To us.
To churros.
In 2019.
And 2019. All right. I think that caramel is better than, what do you have, strawberry? White chocolate?
White chocolate strawberry.
White chocolate strawberry? I like the caramel myself. 5 out of 5 if you ask me.
Well, mine's a 10 out of 10.
That's the thing. Build your own lightsaber. Why'd you pick that one up?
I don't know, because it's like green and hairy. Why not?
Mind someone?
Should it? Here, I got it. You want it this way? Yeah. Okay. It's already on. And Joshua.
How does it look?
Woo! With the stormtroopers in the background, you are fabulous.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, stay still for a second so I can get the animation. That's incredible. The
Yeah, I've
amazing
always
things.
wanted these, but they're like expensive. 20 bucks.
Well, why don't we get them?
Maybe, maybe not.
Maybe yes. Maybe we have to buy them today.
Maybe we can wait.
You have to buy them today.
I don't know.
But I buy them.
Maybe at the start of Star Wars Land. How about that? Then I buy it.
Or how about now before they go out of stock?
They've had these for like 2 years.
But you never know what's going to happen.
You never know when Disney's
Maybe
going
when
to go
Star
under.
Wars Land happens, they're going to have some generic corporate-looking Star Wars ears. No, not as good as the other ones.
I think I can pull this
Super
off.
cute though.
Hey, Erica.
Hey.
Thanks for the ears.
You are welcome, Strusky.
Thanks for your ears of service. All right, let's go to Space Mountain. Pirates of the Caribbean. Pirates of the Caribbean. Shoot. So Erica, how many times have you spilled something today?
Twice.
Twice. In the garage.
Yeah, and then third time I had to clean up something my cat spilled. That was fun.
Wow. So
Yeah.
what just
I
happened?
just dropped my phone.
Dropped her phone
Yes.
in the queue. Oh, sorry. Oh. This is flash photography.
Thank you.
Oh, what? Hey.
I'm recording you.
Ears on? Is it on? One day, we'll get inside. I had to remove it.
600.
The price is on the bottom. You can check yourself.
Wow. 1100. Hey.
Did you know that this is the wildest ride in the wilderness?
I feel like I just heard something like that recently.
Oh man. I totally missed. There we go. That was a little Irish stuff. Maybe.
You're freaking weird.
We closed out the parks. Look at that.
Yeah.
Erica's doing her little Irish jump. Oh, we were only here for about an hour and a half, but we had fun.
We had a great time. It doesn't
So
feel
I
like
got my ears on. Erica bought some goodies.
Definitely bought way too many.
Way too much. She brought cash and she used it almost all
I should
of
never
it.
do that again.
So it was a good day. It was a good hour and a half. And it's trickling right now. And it's actually quite nice. Look at that. I might take a little picture.